Hi, I'm Patty with Patty Puckett Pouring Art. Today I'm going to be doing a swipe on a 20 by 20 canvas. I just wanted to show you, you'll see in a previous video, I did this swipe, monochromatic. I used silver, whites, blacks, some charcoal colors, some metallics. I really like how this turned out. Just wanted to show it to you dry. I haven't varnished it yet, but it'll be getting a couple coats of Liquitex. Anyway, before we get started, I wanted to show you that. And what else? Well, anyway, let's just get into the colors. This is a 20 by 20 canvas. This is a really nice size. The first color is the Amsterdam Deep Gold, and I mixed a little bit of the Stone Coat Gold Dust Metallic pigment. These two together made this really pretty color, and the consistency is pretty thin. The second color is Golden Transparent Red Iron Oxide. I just got this color. I'm excited about this color. I like my oranges. The next one is a Liquitex, what is this? Aqua Green. And this is Deco Art Extreme Sheen Aquamarine. These two together got me this color. Really pretty turquoise. I'll be using my Pearl White. That's Creative Inspirations Pearl White, and let me grab it. I don't have that one ready. And Golden Iridescent Pearl Fine together. This next one is Molten Metals Aged Bronze. I used this in one of my other swipes and I really liked it. It's really a different color. And the last color is Creative Inspirations Bronze, Rich Bronze. And I added a little bit of this Color Cottage Copper Penny. We got a nice shimmer on this one. I'm hoping this color really comes through. I'm going to be swiping with this Amsterdam, what is this? Primary Cyan. I mixed that with some Australian Floetrol, and that's going to be my swipe color. I thought I'd go back, not use a black, but go back and use Australian Floetrol as my swipe color. I'm going to be using cut up paper towels. I'm going to wet them. And my background. You know, this is leftover paint that I've scraped off the wax paper or on a bad pour. And I just keep adding it to this bunch. And so far, it's been a really nice background for me. All kinds of different colors, blacks and grays and silvers and just all kinds of colors. And it's not muddy. It's really actually a really nice dark gray, I don't know, charcoal looking metallic. So that's going to be, I'm going to flood coat my canvas with that. And let me do that and I'll be back and we can get going. Okay, I'm back. Let's get to swiping. What I don't want to happen is for this metallic background to swallow up my colors. So I think I'm going to be putting a lot of paint down. Let me see if I make sure it stays in the middle. Okay, so let's go for a weird swipe color. I hope there's enough here. I didn't make that much. I'm going to put it right in the middle of that gold. And it always sinks for some reason. By the way, my colors are all mixed with US Floetrol, about, I would say 80% Floetrol, 20% GAC 800, and water to a thin consistency. And I think pretty much the background color is probably a mix of that also. And I don't really measure because every paint has a different consistency, so I just sort of wing it. That's different. I'm hoping this blue wasn't a mistake. And for that being so much color on there, I'm not getting a whole lot of color coming down. I'm only using the paper towel once. A lot of cells. Here's where I'll speed it up. I like to swipe pretty slow. Okay, that's half of it. I like it. The aged bronze didn't really come through like I expected. I guess it's down here. Ugh, that's what you don't want to do. Exactly what I just did. I didn't even know I had paint on my hand. Ugh. Damn it. Okay, let's turn it around. You can always come back. It's just so much easier for me to do it right-handed than to swipe away from me or down. It's just easier. Now I'm wondering, I might need to put some more cell activator down. Let's do one more run here. The white's showing up in some areas. I'm not real thrilled about this. I don't mind the blue part, but after I might have to paint that. I'm not real thrilled with this gold being blotchy in there. Right there. I like the colors together. Got some bubbles here. No matter how many times I run the torch over it, there's always bubbles popping. Okay, now all I have to do is fix the sides. I'll go ahead and let this dry. Go ahead and let this dry, and then I will probably work on doing some hand painting in the middle here. I don't know how that's going to work out, but let me bring you down. Okay, I had to turn off the light so it wouldn't get that much of a glare. Very cool. See, if that middle was just blue, I think it would look better. I'm missing some of the copper down here, or that iron oxide. Iron oxide, the first time I've ever used it, it's prominent, that's for sure. I'll have to remember that next time. I will take a picture of it when I fix the blue and put it on the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Check out my social sites. Take care. Cheers.